Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent, the most merciful. Pakistan is an Islamic state which appeared on the map of the world on 14th August 1947 after a great struggle. The full name of Pakistan is Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Pakistan is a beautiful country. It is the land of the pure and the land of dreams, where each day the sun rises to mark a new beginning. It is 70-year-old. When Pakistan first came into being, many people said it would not survive. However, it is true that our forefathers faced several problems and had to make many sacrifices. But today, as the 21st century progresses, Pakistan has surely come over hurdles and made developments in many fields of life. The Muslims sacrificed their wealth, prosperity, and lives for the sake of Pakistan. I love my country from the depths of my heart because I was born and brought up on its sacred land. Dear audience, why I love Pakistan? I love my country because it gives me a standard of living which no other country would. I could freely roam around the streets all night, no one would stop me. I could park my car wherever I want. People in countries like US and UK have to pay road tax and also a large amount of parking fee if they want to park their cars. I love Pakistan because I am given the freedom to live life the way I want. It allows me to live as a free citizen. Dear audience, what is the aims of this piece of Jannah? Pakistan was established by keeping many objectives in mind. The aims of the establishment of Pakistan was establish an Islamic society and Islamic state. Pakistan is in fact the fort of Islam. Quaid-e-Azam said, "We did not demand Pakistan to acquire a piece of land, but we wanted a homeland where we could introduce Islamic principles. Pakistan is a gift from Allah, which came into being after countless sacrifices rendered by Muslims of the subcontinents. It stands for the support of the whole Islamic world. Allah has blessed Pakistan with rich resources. Now it is our duty to make Pakistan a great, strong and prosperous country. May Allah bless our country with peace, success and prosperity. Ameen."